Welcome to IAS Academy. Prior to the 2022 preliminary exam, we will cover 15 previous year MCQs daily in a video. That is a total of 2500 plus MCQs before the exam. So let's start the session. Our first question is,
who among the following is known for his works on medicine during the Gupta period? Options are Shaumila, Shudraka, Shaunaga, and Susruta. Here answer to this question is option D, Susruta. Susruta Samhita was written by Susruta. He was said to have been the best surgeon during the Gupta period. Susruta existed from 6th century, was a physician in ancient India known today as the father of Indian medicine, father of plastic surgery, and father of brain surgery for inventing and developing surgical procedures. Question number 2. Premvatika poems on life of Krishna were composed by. Options are Bihari, Surdas, Ras Khan, Kabir. Here answer to this question is option C, Ras Khan. Ras Khan was a Hindi poet who was both a Muslim and a follower of Lord Krishna. His birth name was Syed Ibrahim. Ras Khan was his pen name in Hindi. In his early years, he became a follower of Lord Krishna and learned the religion and began living in Vrindavan and spent his whole life there. He died in 1628 AD. Surdas was a 16th century blind Hindu devotional poet and singer. Kabir Das was 15th century Indian mystic poet and saint whose writings influenced Hinduism's Bhakti movement, and his verses are found in Sikhism's scripture. Bihari Lal Chaube or Bihari was a Hindi poet who is famous for writing the Satasai, that is 700 verses. Question number 3. Examine the two statements carefully and select the answers by using the quotes given below. Assertion statement 1. British sovereignty continued to exist in free India. That is incorrect. Reason statement 2. British sovereign appointed the last Governor General of Free India. That is correct. So here answer to this question is option D. A is false but R is true. When India got the freedom, it became sovereign country. So British sovereignty ceased to exist after that date. So assertion is false. But on the request of India, British sovereign appointed the last Governor General of Free India, that is Lord Mountbatten. So reason is true. Question number 4. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the quotes given below. Here, Brihat Samhita is a script written in Indian Sanskrit by author Varahamihira, Devi Chandraguptam written by Vishagadatta, Marchagadikam written by Sudraga, and Vikramanga Devacharita written by Bilhana. And Prabandha Chintamani is a collection of Prabandhas compiled by Merutunga. Varahamihira also wrote Pancha Siddhantika and Vishagadatta also wrote Mudra Rakshasa. So here answer to this question is option B. Question number 5. Which one of the following layers of the atmosphere is responsible for the deflection of radio waves? Options are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and ionosphere. Here answer to this question is option D, ionosphere. Ionosphere is the top layer of the atmosphere. Radio waves are deflected in the ionosphere of the atmosphere. That is because there are gas particles in the ionosphere that are ionized. So there is a peak concentration of ionized particles at 250 km and this layer deflects radio waves. Question number 6. Saddle Peak, the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, is located in. Options are Great Nicobar, Middle Andaman, Little Andaman and North Andaman. Here answer to this question is option D, North Andaman. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the elongated chains of islands located in Bay of Bengal. The entire group of islands is divided into two categories, the Andaman in the north and the Nicobar in the south. Port Blair is the capital city of the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The highest point of Andaman and Nicobar is Saddle Peak at 732 meters. It is the highest point of archipelago in the Bay of Bengal. It is surrounded by Saddle Peak National Park. Question number 7. Due to improper or indiscriminate disposal of old and used computers or their parts, which of the following are released into the environment as e-waste? Options are beryllium, cadmium, chromium, heptachlor, mercury, lead and plutonium. Select the correct answer using the quotes given below. Here answer to this question is option B. Heptachlor is an organochlorine compound that was used as an insecticide and plutonium is radioactive. So these two are excluded from the options. Electronic scrap components such as CPUs contain potentially harmful materials such as lead, cadmium, beryllium. Mercury is a useful component of electrical switches. Chromium traditionally used in magnetic tapes such as audio cassettes. Electronic waste or e-waste has both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. The presence of elements like lead, mercury, arsenic, cadmium, selenium and hexavalent chromium are classified as hazardous waste. So here answer to this question is option B. Question number 8. If in an election to a state legislative assembly, the candidate who is declared elected loses his deposit, it means that option A, the polling was very poor. Option B, the election was for a multi-member constituency. Option C, the elected candidate's victory over his nearest rival was very marginal. Option D, a very large number of candidates contested the election. Here answer to this question is option D. If in an election to a state legislative assembly, the candidate who is declared elected loses his deposit, it means a very large number of candidates contested the election. A defeated candidate who fails to secure more than 1/6 of the valid votes polled in the constituency will lose his security deposit. So when a very large number of candidates contest the election, due to distribution of votes, the winning candidates may get less than 1/6 of valid votes. Question number 9. The trading blocs in the world such as NAFTA, ASEAN and the like are expected to do which of the following? Option A. Act as constrictions in free trade across the world. Option B. Promote free trade on the lines laid down by the WTO. Option C. Permit transfer of technology between member countries. Option D. Promote trade in agricultural commodities between countries of the North and South. Here answer to this question is option B. NAFTA is North American Free Trade Agreement. ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. NAFTA, ASEAN and other regional trading blocs in the world will promote free trade on the lines laid down by the WTO, that is World Trade Organization. These are local trading blocs which will enable free trade between member nations. So, answer to this question is option B. Promote free trade on the lines laid down by the WTO. Question number 10. Which of the following were the aims behind setting up of the World Trade Organization WTO? Options are promotion of free trade and resource flows across countries, protection of intellectual property rights, managing balanced trade between different countries, promotion of trade between former East Bloc countries and the Western world. Select the correct answer by using the codes given below. Here answer to this question is option A, all the above. That is, all the options provided here are aims behind setting up of World Trade Organization. The World Trade Organization WTO is the only global international organization dealing with the rules of trade between nations. The WTO's goal is to help producers of goods and services, exporters and importers to conduct their business. WTO helped to do trade flow fairly and predictably by administering WTO trade agreements, conducting forum for trade negotiations, handling trade disputes, monitoring national trade policies, providing technical assistance and training for developing countries, and cooperation with the international organizations. Question number 11. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion and other labeled as reason. Assertion statement number 1. Transformer is useful for stepping up or stepping down voltages. That is correct. Reason statement number 2. Transformer is a device used in DC circuits. That is incorrect. So here answer to this question is option C. A is true but R is false. A transformer is a static device which transfers AC electrical power from one circuit to the other at the same frequency, but the voltage level is usually changed. And transformer is always used with AC circuits, otherwise it will burn. Step-up transformer raises the output voltage, whereas step-down transformer reduces the output voltage. That is, step-up transformer converts low voltage high current power into high voltage low current power, and step-down transformer converts high voltage low current power into low voltage high current power. Question number 12. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answers from the codes given below. Potassium bromide is a salt used to make photographic purpose and plates and for process engraving. So, potassium bromide matches with photography. Major uses of potassium nitrate are in fertilizers, tree stem removal, rocket propellants and in fireworks. And gunpowder, commonly known as black powder, consists of a mixture of sulfur, carbon and potassium nitrate. So, potassium nitrate matches with gunpowder. The principal use of potassium sulfate is as a fertilizer.
So potassium sulfates matches with fertilizer. Monopotassium tartarate is a byproduct of winemaking. In cooking, it is known as cream of tartar. So monopotassium tartrate matches with bakery. So here answer to this question is option A. Question number 13. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below. Carotene is a vitamin substance as B-carotene. So vitamin matches with carotene. Pepsin is an enzyme produced in stomach which digests protein. So enzyme matches with pepsin. Progesterone is an hormone produced in human ovary. So hormone matches with progesterone. Keratin is a protein. The main component of hair and nail is keratin. So protein matches with keratin. So here answer to this question is option B. Question number 14. Where was the first desalination plant in India to produce 1 lakh liters fresh water per day based on low temperature thermal desalination principle commissioned? Options are Kavaratti, Port Blair, Mangalore, Valsad. Here answer to this question is option A, Kavaratti. Chennai-based National Institute of Ocean Technology has set up the world's first self-regulating desalination plant using the technology of ocean thermal energy conversion in Kavaratti Island in Lakshadweep. Question number 15. Norman Ernest Borlaug, who is regarded as the father of the Green Revolution, is from which country? Options are United States of America, Mexico, Australia and New Zealand. Here answer to this question is option A, United States of America. Norman Ernest Borlaug was often called the father of Green Revolution and is credited with saving over 1 billion people worldwide from starvation. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will continue with the next set tomorrow.